Namaste. Make one circle movement with your shoulders. Straighten your back. Put your hands together in Namaste. Close your eyes and create a space for your practice. Release any tensions in the neck and shoulders. Breathe. Peace and harmony inside. Face is relaxed. A few more breaths. Good. Make fists with your fingers and make circular motions. The other way round. Excellent. Make fists with your fingers and make circular motions with your forearms. Breathe. The other way round. Good. Move your hands behind your back dynamically. Movements are soft. Focus your attention on where the main action is. Roll your shoulders one by one. Breathe. Change direction. Feel calm. Excellent. Your head is moving up and down. Breathing in, lift your head. Breathing out, lower it. Move smoothly. Turn your head to the right and to the left. Release any tensions in the neck and shoulders. Make side bows with your head. Do at 50% intensity. Release any tensions in the neck. Excellent. Stand with your feet hip distance apart. Put your palms on your knees and make circular motions with your knees. Roll your feet along the perimeter. The other way round. Smooth your breath. Excellent. On an inhale, rise. Stand with your feet shoulder distance apart. Make circular motions with your pelvis. Focus your attention on where the main action is. Don't drop your head. The other way round. Breath is smooth and soft. A few more breaths. Good. Push your right knee forward to the right and to the left. Movements are light, breathing is calm. Excellent. Now do the same on the other side. Face is relaxed. Put a slight bend in your knee. Twist on exhale. On inhale, return to the center. Keep your internal balance. Good. Breathing out, make a side bow. Breathing in, Go back to the center. Do your modification. Release any tensions in the neck. A few more breaths. Excellent. Breathing in, make a finger lock, get your heels off the ground and move your hands up. Breathing out, go down. Breathing in, try to create a bow with your lower back. Breathing out, relax. Movements are light, breathing is calm. Stand with your feet hip distance apart. Breathing in, lower your pelvis. Breathing out, lift yourself. Do the work symmetrically. Distribute your weight evenly. Breath is regular and smooth. A few more breaths. Excellent. Finish gradually. Get into position on all fours. Breathing in, arch your back. Breathing out, downward facing dog or child's pose. Go on at your own rhythm. Movement follows the breath. Breathing in, cat. Breathing out, either child's pose or downward facing dog. Movements are light, breathing is calm. A few more breaths. Excellent.